Welcome back everyone, hope you all are fine. So in this video, we are going to make Iron Spider web shooter from Spider-Man No Way Home. This web shooter has got a very cool design and I'm really excited to see how it turns out. For this project, we are not going to use a 3D printer, so every one of you can make it very easily at home. If you are new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out our future videos. I have created free templates for you which you can find in the description box on our website. We are going to use EVA Foam to make the base of the web shooter, as it's very flexible and we can form any shape out of it. Now we need to make the surface even, so you can either use sandpaper or Dremel rotary tool. Backward portion of the web shooter is pointed, so let's cut the unwanted part. You can find links for all the parts I use in the description box. Connect with blocks motor driver to power blocks and then attach it to base of the web shooter with the help of hot glue. We are going to make this web shooter rechargeable, so we are going to use lithium-ion battery charging module. Check the wiring very carefully, otherwise you may end up damaging the charging board. Connect 3.7 volt rechargeable cell to the charging board. I will give you the link for this cell in the description box. Now let's attach top section of the web shooter to the base with the help of super glue. We are going to use some cardboard pieces to make some details on the front portion of the web shooter. Now let's sand it down and make the surface even. We cannot use spray paints directly over the EVA foam as it doesn't really look good. So first we are going to apply NC putty over the foam first and then sand it down. To make the surface even smoother, we are going to spray some water and wet sand it. Now let's use primer spray to fill in the minor gaps. It's time to do some detail work on the main body. First, draw a design with the help of pencil and then use Dremel rotary tool to make the details. As I already said, we cannot use paint directly on the foam. So we are going to apply paper pieces on the parts where we didn't apply putty. It's time to spray golden paint on the main body. This video is sponsored by BitBlocks. They have built a lot of electronic components which you can use to build your projects without any programming knowledge. You can get these parts from their app or website, or you can simply purchase their kit which includes various parts. We are going to make bottom section of the web shooter from cardboard, where we are also going to add launching mechanism and motor. Now let's move on to the mechanism part. So first we are going to make barrel of the web shooter. We just need to make it large enough for our projectile to move freely. Apply super glue over all the barrel as it needs to be rigid. Now let's just attach barrel to the web shooter with the help of super glue. You can get this conical motor shaft from our website, link will be in the description box. For the trigger, we are going to use popsicle sticks. Now let's attach the spring into the barrel. We are going to do some weathering on the web shooter, so the details on the web shooter could be clearly visible. We are going to apply a mixture of black acrylic and water with the help of blush and then wipe it out with the tissue. We are going to keep repeating the process until we get the satisfactory results. To make this web shooter look metallic, we are going to spray lacquer on it. We are going to use these locks to make this web shooter wearable. You can get this from our website. Now let's make the projectile. So for this we are going to wrap a paper around a toothpick. And then add a neodymium magnet on it. Now let's attach the spring on the projectile. I'm going to use this white cotton thread as a web. Attach one end of the thread to the conical shaft and the other to the projectile. Now just attach these additional blue pieces to the main body. If you guys like this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye.